Hello, how are y'all doing? Well, we've got a video for you today that is going to have several different segments on it. We've got of Addie coming back from Arkansas when we came back on our plane ride. Oh, and some of when Addie was at the beach. Well, not at the beach, it was at the lake there in Arkansas. So we've got a little of this and that. We got a variety on this video. So we'll have that. We got some of my friend and her raised bed. She calls it her raised bed and her property. We'll be going around it. We've got some of when Addie came back with her mom to Florida. And what else? We just got different things that you'll be able to see. So it's just a variety of stuff in the video you'll get to see. So hope you'll enjoy watching this. And I'm fixing to let y'all see. Hope y'all are having a one. Well, turn around, let me see you. Really? You're so cute. You can't shake it like that, baby. Come on. Come here real quick. I'm having fun. You hear me? I hear you. What? Brain. You have this whole area to swim around that you can reach to stay in.
No, I really want to.
You really don't have floats on, no. Stay where she can.
Well, we're in Gainesville.
And it's windy. We're finishing up our adventure. Yep. We're tired now. We've been up since 6 o'clock this morning.
Yes.
We are exhausted, but we've had fun on our adventure. But we hope y'all have enjoyed coming along with us. But we are going to end it now. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Learn with Nana. And
Moon Mountain and
Cedar Cross. And we love y'all. And God bless y'all. As you see, we're tired. Bye.
Okay.
All right. Now tell me about your raised beds.
Raised beds, right now there's nothing here but my marigolds. And then the one over here to the left has some peppermint in it with the marigolds. That particular one on the far left is my tomatoes with a basil plant and 2 marigolds, because that helps keep the bugs away from the tomatoes.
Mm-hmm.
And the tomato worms away. This plant just only right now only has basil in the middle of it, because I haven't decided what else to put in it. So I'm going to be probably putting some cone flowers in this one. I finally decided.
This one right here?
Yeah, that one right there.
Okay, so, I brought it in closer so I can see.
And then my son's going to finish fencing all the way around. And my gate will be right where you came in at. Because it's
these are nice.
On that side. Yeah, she had all kinds of plants here at one time. Somebody did. They're all... I'm not sure what that one is.
What tree is this right here?
Your husband just told me. Say that again. The catawba tree.
It's beautiful.
That's just an oak, which is there. Over here, I've got some natural grapevines coming up that I've got. I'm going to stake up. I'm waiting for my arm to get well. So
Let me get the bird.
You better check them. And they got any grapes on them?
not yet. I thought I'd just stake them up.
Where they at?
They're laying on the ground. They're on the ground right now. See that T-post?
Yeah.
Between there, there's two of them. And on the other side, Jane, the other side of here, you can't get them right here, but I have oak leaf hydrangeas. I have all kinds of really, there is a azalea in there. I can't have that near my goats. It'll kill a goat. But there's also a lantana all over there.
I wouldn't worry about staking them up till they get big enough and you see if it's fox grape.
Oh,
Fox
okay.
grapes ain't no good for nothing but making wine.
Oh, okay.
They're bitter. They ain't worth a dang.
Oh, okay.
That's a little tiny one.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't like those.
And I
tiny ones.
believe that's what you're gonna find that is.
Yeah. So the house is going to go here.
No,
So-
this is leaning. You got to put it up there where it's flat.
No, house is going right here. That's stays.
Oh.
Yes. I'm going to have them level. They're going to have to put it in here. But they'll get it in. Over here is the passion fruit that my friend gave me. And that's that headboard I got for free.
Oh.
So I'm going to stake it up. And
Oh yeah. That'll
let
work.
them vine up on it. Because they've got a really beautiful purple flower.
Oh, that would be.
It's 1.4, I think, is what it ends up being.
From 1.5 then. From the middle center line of the highway to where?
All the way to the back of the road where there's a fence back there. It's, you see his field, the pretty green, right there through there.
Yeah.
It looks to me like it's more than 1.5 acres.
Well, see, we all, he and I have discussed it. They told him he has 4.9 or 4. I think he had 5 acres. My what's it called says 1.4 acres is what my survey says.
Yeah, that's it.
It looks like a little bit more, but anyway, this is lemongrass, which you can make tea out of.
Okay.
You can. Your wife can.
Hey, buddy.
You smell it. I
You
want
gonna
to
be
smell
all
it.
right?
Oh, she's fine. She just likes
I don't
people.
know that. We went to Charleston, South Carolina.
Yeah, my mom and I
We're
did
gonna
good.
fire her, ain't we?
Yeah.
You want to be on camera?
Say, yeah, they will be on camera. Come on, Marley, get up. Come on, baby. Stand up.
Ah, yeah. Hey there. Oh, you're so pretty.
Hi, Misha. There's my lady there. See how she sits with her feet crossed?
Yeah, you
Back
pretty
there.
too?
I
Okay.
gotta get there.
Yeah,
I've got the goats right now.
She jumps on it.
No,
Oh, isn't she so cute?
Okay, I'm a pretty girl too.
Yeah.
I tell you. Oh my God, they pet me.
And the
I love you,
chickens.
I love you.
can I rub your head?
Now this is a pretty goat right here.
That's Bree and Bree Ann and Mama Buffy.
Well, I like this one right here.
Yeah. Yep.
That's
They're
a pretty
sweet. This is Ebby, the chicken. And that's Susie and that's Pepper. Oh my gosh. I know Marley. She's my personality dog too. She likes people.
I can't believe you came out without them treats.
I know.
What is wrong with you?
Bad mama.
Bad mama.
Bad mama. Look, they're both
Was your
like
mama bad?
this. She said my mama was bad.
Was your mama
I
bad?
got that fix where the goats would go in the
Oh, give me, let me fish. Yeah.
I've never seen a burn barrel with hole drilled in it like that.
I didn't either. I had to drill holes in the bottom so the water wouldn't hold in there. The rain. So,
Road?
yep. And Mr. Sanders came up later that afternoon and took his little shovel bucket thing and moved everything to the side. So
Huh.
he said if they didn't, he would, because his wife's back there wants to get in and out. You know, there's got people that live down there.
Yeah. Who used to be one of my lieutenants there at Lancaster.
Oh,
So she retired.
Okay. So what I'm going to do here, though, is probably clear all that. I've got rosemary, oregano. This is eucalyptus, and this is 2 little moringa trees I've got to transplant out. And
These are pretty.
then I've got, I've already harvested some of my lavender. But it
I
smells
love
so
those
good.
lavenders. Those are
Oh,
pretty.
And it smells good.
They are so
Oh,
pretty.
here you go. Smell the lavender.
Yes.
Fresh lavender. Angel, you're not going over to pestering.
Yes, those are pretty.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Anyway, but see how they raised that up in there, and I got a sink. He had an oven, a refrigerator, and I forgot what all he had for her. She wants to come sit with you. No, you are such a brat, dog.
Like I excellent job. You need help? Back stitch and you're done. Oh, you're pivoting. Okay. Needle's got to be down. Keep the needle down if you're going to pivot. Very good.
SOS, someone help me. It's not healthy for me to feel this way. No, because he's going to keep trying to reach for the camera.
I can't see it.
I need to try, baby. La la la, la 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 la, oh. La la la, la 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 la, oh. La la la. Body comes up and aggressive. Just one thought ain't close enough. Leave me alone. Refreshing issue. Dance, Lassie. Issue. Good question. Dance. SOS, someone help me. It's not healthy for me to feel this way. So SC, someone help me. It's not healthy for me to feel this way. You are making so hard. Tossing and turning, can't sleep at night. Someone gonna caress me, 'cause you on my mind. It's got me losing it.
Okay.
No.
What's the name of the cat?
Binks, but some people call him different. I don't know what the other names are.
Mm-hmm.
You're just a cute little Binks. Ow.
Ooh. Your head's in your eyes, baby. Okay.
I went on a plane.
Uh-huh.
It was horrible. 2-star rated. But they did have an iPad holder, so I like that.
Yeah.
And a phone holder. But they had no snacks, and you had to pay for the drinks.
Mm-hmm.
Tell them, Binks. Tell them. She's a very chill cat. He's also very fat.
You want to talk about?
Oh, what happened here? Ew.
I've got like a piece of his ears gone.
I think him and my cat would make great friends. Y'all seen her cat dog, yeah.
Yeah. So.
I love black cats, but also I used to believe they were skinwalkers. So,
So, how's your summer been, Addie?
good. I saw a rattlesnake. Yeah. And also, y'all could hear my mom's high-pitched scream. That was rough. And then we got hit by fireworks at 4th of July.
Really?
Yeah. It was a big firework too.
Did you enjoy the fireworks?
No, I got hit
Where'd you get hit at?
on my leg.
Oh my
It hurt so
goodness.
bad. I stole mommy's shoes, guys.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. We just left Arkansas. Now we're in Florida.
Mm-hmm. And so, what's this about you going to cheerleading?
Oh, I'm gonna be cheering for the Buffalo Stampeders.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Yeah.
Are you excited about starting school?
Yeah. Just to see my friends.
Mm-hmm. Very good. So what grade are you going into?
This.
Going into 5th. You're going to be a 5th grader.
Then 6th grader.
Mm-hmm. So you had a good time. All right. Well, we're going to end this video.
Yeah, it's just gonna be a quick little show. We might be going to the beach today.
Yeah.
Tell me about your summer in the comments. Tell me about your summer in the comments.
Yeah, that's a good
Nana
thing.
will send me your little comments that are nice.
Yeah, Addie likes to know what's going on with the comments and stuff.
Mommy never even thinks about me on the comments. She's over here, yeah, I'm just looking through them. I'm not going to send you anything.
Okay. Well, we love y'all, and
Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell, and share with all your friends. Have a blessed day.
that's right. We love y'all. All right, stand up here. We gotta have one together. And this is, okay. We love
This
y'all.
is Learning with Nana.
Look how tall she's gotten.